welcome to Kaziranga.
Di Village pun pi barok sisian pad. Pet ini ke channel ke jonga. Di mentas nging la edon hang ni ha Kaziranga National Park dan arjat ki safari. Kawai ke di elephant safari ti ki alaman step san baje. Di tang sikenta ki alam tang hajan nama du elephant ti ban cover ke distance ke bajangai 6 la. Ti dakan ni ke jeep safari pad dia ke distance ki la ban cover kham jangai. Ti ngiyok ban syong hadu arkenta dekat jeep safari bat dekat elephant safari ke ditang kombas kenta. To Foxtail Orchid Kaziranga. Dan jing kawai he ni. Nyalam ingin ke kamera bisa ni. Pekai room kono. Tim dah kami ini sahamnya.
The price start will be morning 7:30 to 9:30, and you can go 7:30 to 8 o'clock after breakfast. And the driver will come here and pick up drop in from the resort.
7:30.
Is 7:30.
Okay, safari atli. Tiki awan sawi ini duduk ni jaga sa. Te nang ya mentas kiwai begini wan. Te ini awan sedang nak hi mentas apa? How far is it?
From here almost 6 kilometers.
6 kilometer. This is which zone which we are going to visit?
Central.
Central zone lah. Tinggal ready mentang ini sedang no kini ke jeep safari jangi nangina resort.
Yes. Dapat kamu di dapat. Kini ke jeep safari. Dari first animal lah kau.
Kau. Di plantation kita kan.
Biasa sah.
Ayo apa dia?
Kasem kata.
Why?
Atang ko wala biang oni wan.
Friends.
Nah. To.
Ayo na ba ye?
Oh, di uban ayo. Banyak pula.
Mihimog this place called.
Mihimok. This starting point na.
Yeah. Chalo sat mein jayega.
Sat. Together, okay with them.
Yeah. Oye, ¿qué es lo que hay, baja?
Sini am sara terus. Tak. Bagi ki animal song. Oh, ti dia yang kasurok.
Don't noise, please.
Ya. Ya, I like bus. I know. Itu layak sini. Sekeras sini tu Rhino Set. Ini nah, makan. Ini terlihat nah. Oke, ini. Bridge. Tay, ini am. Em otter. Tiếp ít à. Tay, ôm. Ini buat itu kan. Otter.
Forest leader. Forest guard up. Stay there. Night time.
Buffalo? Di buffalo teh. Crossing. Buffalo.
It's like two legs. One is mini leg and this is called Katpara leg.
Mini leg and this is Paral leg.
Katpara.
That Paral leg.
And these are natural legs.
Natural legs.
They can have so many design of the
Huh? What?
deer.
Deer.
Yeah.
That side.
Right hand side of the leg.
Right hand, left hand side, so many deers.
This is those big deer.
Yes.
Those are called swamp deer.
Swam dia.
Swamp.
SWAMP.
Swamp. They stay in the swamp area.
Yeah, they always like to the swampy area.
Wild elephant itu. Lihat sekali. Lihat se wild elephant. Hati. Iban teh hati.
Hati.
Hati elephant. Lembam pelang.
Imbam re, silik ron tu.
Kayaknya
Spling.
Wow, elephant siya. He heard. Cries. Hajan kita ada elephant siya na.
Okay. Oh, ang buffalo. Bar-headed goose. Bye. Migratory.
Geese. Migratory geese. Turtle.
Una turtle.
Hello. Itu turtle. Put it there.
Oh, turtle. Ya. Aku di situ. Now we are entering the woodland. Grassland is over and we are starting with woodland.
Different habitats.
Grassland, woodland, whiteland, sandbanks, and area also near the Brahmaputra.
Okay.
As the time stop.
This is called stock. Tite. Ite ba yung hadrong dir?
Stay, tay, tay, bro. 2, 1, 2.
There you stock. Kini gitu dia baru kita man pai. Ngidang lain. Traffic jam.
Pintail duck.
Northern Pintail
Pintail.
duck. Oh, duck.
Northern pintail. Rhino and elephant.
Oh, si silang deh.
One on the left.
Oh, this is the elephant, but I know.
But rhino.
You can get down this area and you can do some facility also, toilet facility.
Dia mentang lain dan akan ka jaka ke ba ke ending point ki kali baru ki bawan sini ki safari ti kelhaban stop na hang ni but hang ni pada ngila ban ya pet kai kini ki marat ki pada hang ni dan kini ke lik hang ni ngila ban i kini ki swan ki babun jat ki dogs nang ta ngila ban i seti silang gidan ki silang jong kini ka lik gidan ki elephant ki rhino ngila ban pet dik baina kula ti meneng iwan nas te ti ngila ya jeng ba kitu ki kitu ki jaka ki bapher kitu ki wetland ki grassland ki bon ki marat ki bangi i mata kasni sani ki bon ki rhino hi but ki bobon ba walong special ba ni jaka ki one horn rhino ti ki hati ki bon ba but ki dia nang ta ki ni ki sim ki bobon jat ki ini ki swan ki dog nang ta ki lizard ki tortoise ti nang ta kini ki silang klau nang ta kini ki wild buffaloes te ki kita ki marat baru ki balang nilai mata asngi te ngia kini kerman bangi nang i susu ki marat te ka sanang pen EP mentah linti mah saya pet hidup bukut ikut video Kaziranga National Park Kalika National Park and Tiger Reserve te hadu mentah ikla tempat i dang ibon dang kiraino bat iki quick jat marat
Tell duck. Yeah, that's called another name is Brahmani duck also. They are coming from Tibet. Yeah, they always like to couple. Male and female both. Kaziranga tiger is very shy. Yeah, because habitat is very dense. So, yeah, sometimes it will be coming out on the road, then it will be good to see.
how many tigers here brother
148.
rhino
Rhino is almost 3,000. Elephant also good number. Plus 1,200. Kaziranga is 1030 square kilometer. So that is divided 4 ranges. Central, Western, Eastern and Budapahar. So this is central one.
muni wild buffalo puum teng kamat puum li sejrong Wanha jan kali boy yang resort ti menta ngila ya wan pai ngila ya dan biang kini ke resort phong lại cái jàn jengi bang nyok ban jengi no hang te ke swimming pool hang te